Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve, and this one as usual you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Take the following glowing stars, connect to the media out, press 2 on the keyboard, wait few seconds to render, and then when you click on the frame number 60 you will see the stars. All you have to do now is ungroup like this. If you want to add something more, this is the node that you can connect just like this. This one is for the background. You can play around what you want. I choose the black background. On the bottom is another node that you can add and merge. You can rotate, change the blend mode, and etc. And this one is the main part of the stars. So this one is the part, and go inside the background, go inside the particle emitter and the particle emitter. Every new frame will be another star. So at frame 60 will be 60 stars. And then I use the directional force for the falling down, and using glow for the blue light, and the trails node will be for the trails. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.